We live in an era of engineered obsolescence, a landfill of plastic and planned failures. Most technology in 2026 is designed with a ticking clock, destined for the skip before its true potential is ever realized. But then there are outliers, objects that defy the disposable trend, built with a gravitas that suggests they were meant to outlast a single fiscal quarter. The Smart Board MX065 is one such defiance. Pick it up if you dare, or rather try to shift its substantial mass. This is not some feather-light consumer panel, weighing in at over 100 pounds and spanning a commanding 65 inches across the diagonal. The MX065 speaks to an older philosophy of engineering. The chassis, CNC, machined from solid stock, exhibits zero flex, zero creak. You feel the physical density, the robust material science at play. This heft is no accident. It's the thermal mass, the industrial-grade dissipation plate that keeps your processor cool, preventing the insidious workflow throttling that plagues lesser devices. It's what allows you to push through demanding real-time collaboration sessions without a stutter, buying back minutes that would otherwise be lost to frozen screens and forced reboots. Think about it. Those moments of frustration, the 3 minutes lost fumbling with connectors, the 5 minutes wasted while a cheap panel struggles to render a high-resolution chart, the 10 minutes spent manually transcribing notes after a critical meeting. These are not minor inconveniences for the professional operating at high hourly rates. These are efficiency leakages. Over a year, those minutes accumulate into days, even weeks, of lost productivity. The MX065 systematically plugs those leaks. Real-time collaboration is instantaneous. Multiple stakeholders can interact simultaneously, sketching out solutions, refining concepts, and charting strategic roadmaps. This isn't just about sharing a screen, it's about co-creation at the speed of thought. Multimedia integration means your presentations hit harder, capturing attention instantly, reducing the mental drift that costs you audience engagement. You're not just showing data, you're immersing them in it. Annotation and note-taking are seamless, embedded directly into your workflow. No more frantic scribbling on separate pads, no more post-meeting deciphering. Every insight, every modification, every actionable item is captured in situ. Integrating your laptop, tablet, or smartphone is effortless, bypassing the usual 5-minute tech dance that saps momentum. Even obscure devices, like specialized cameras or sensor feeds, can be channeled directly into the discussion, bringing real-world data into your strategic analyses. Imagine immediate visual feedback on a design iteration, live telemetry during an engineering review, or real-time market data visualizations. It's about building a dynamic, interactive environment where every participant feels truly present and impactful. This board doesn't just display information. It becomes a crucible for ideas. Now, this MX065 is undeniably heavier than its disposable counterparts. That is its strategic flaw, if you can call it that. But that weight, that sheer robust construction, is the very heat sink that prevents your most intense, high-stakes sessions from ever throttling. It is the industrial-grade rigidity that ensures tactile interaction is always precise, always responsive. It means buying back your morning every morning. Global supply chains in 2026 are a precarious thing, and the availability of professional-grade hardware like this MX065 can fluctuate wildly, sometimes by the hour. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.